Mema Oyakwaba Eba GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. A year Listo well, a regular panelist on the political talk show, or the Sudan to a year Kofetami, Attorney General, N.A. Japahun Semi, Kopio Koti, Listo also Ariati, Amawadan Senedi now to be the money a year Akufo Addo. Now Listo Ada and Sembi. Now as a call in Sydney, so we now subscribe, yeah, let's say over subscribe. You'll be honest over clicking and subscribe button. Now I barely notification. We understand new video piano also at the candy. I feel we are now while I keep video on my thumbs up now share my offer for so now when you be fair now money echo. I feel you a year in Sydney. A year go for Dami Hunts and somewhere Japa tip near dinner ever talk about tea or Nico for Dami 18 como I am before no to say tip no a doctor. Not okay, say doctor the other more for now one and right. Any Listo, Moon Zero anyone on the Yaku for any or better than say, any what to say, but for Dami for the chambers who feel now lawyers all in one in him she. The Kono Kwan, Tia bribe near the any Listo ayo and passa. Now what you celebrate Nara and the Atuga. And Tentemara Yamura Nakachi, na yen share a Listo, Ninsama or the Atuga, a fire or Fredamani, Japadi or Bonabasopa or Bojapapaso or Bonabaso Papa. You could see Listo, Ninsama, whether they did Sama or the Atuga.
I think they go for Damia Sam and Papa. Okay. And it reminds me of several of my arguments that, you see, Akufo Addo is not that who knows anything law. Unim law, Obi Obeka Akufo Addo a lawyer, Papa Biaboa. Unim judge, Upia bribe. Where Oko Akufo Addo chambers, cocaine cases in Kwa, armed robbers, criminals, Oko Chesa chambers, Unim. Wamuya Kronfuɔ lawyers no more na fa kese na ya Tutu botom for Kronfuɔ with for charge and bail lawyers omunum mrebia they go behind the scenes to pay judges to get judgment. It announce videos na ya teacher judge for omujija dem dia no fa kese na officer chambers ho everything no man no den wo radio so bebebe go friend that many sankofo ni nyina. The only one that I have ever encountered that Sebi o kan say we hu he was my lawyer. The only Supreme Court judge, Kolendi. No, I'm my lawyer. Not oye. Oye brilliant. Now dream abobil. But I cannot take it away whether he's dubious or not. I cannot take it away because we're human. However, Adriani Bubowa ebuabo. Many papa no. Nana nanu nuanu bobi etiwe ebubo na bitwabono niso ebubo mi a just say me no be charitable but ono onye charitable intino ebubo mi a onye charitable ba mi ebubo na me wa charitable kakra what you say. So Godfrey Damiasem, you see, when we talk about democracy, sometimes you hear me shout and it's like as a man about damo. But I am not Obia or MPP near officer Godfrey Dami. Me Nana being in TV, so not a movie Sanquas as a movie. And you see, I just pray. And I know karma, when they say karma is a bitch, I disagree because bitches, I don't want them around me. Karma is never a bitch. Karma is a boomerang. No matter how far you throw a boomerang, it will come back at you. And so I pray that karma comes to work when there are no more. And I will insist that whoever is NDC that does want to say or their own person or met anything to them because they feel say karma will still come back at them. Karma comes only once. So bidding kwasa no one money soon ant no. Now we just say me boni sunu e chire bia bebo sunu a uni nkwasasem obi na edi nkwasasem ene wo se boni sunu etene no san nkwasasem of Frank Davis betna radio sunu TV so keka no. The NDC must have given him an equal measure of that dose instantaneously because he never made sense. And I'm just being, sometimes these are people that are lawyers. Here me, I'm on a platform on that platform, I have American judges. Fortunately, I have UK judges. I have judges that are in Rwanda, some are in Gambia. They are judges. Fortunately, my late sister Jaba Georgette Amidede Jaba Mameni Omukonya encounter. They came for a conference. Legal luminary and she was working for a lot of the judges and the lawyers. So as a solicitor. So a conference, I'm organizing here, and I happen to, crack jokes for them to love me, and I'm on their platform. When I put such things there, they laugh at us. They're asking me why we have such a person called Godfred Odame as an attorney, state attorney general, because they don't find such of his kind in the world. They asked me whether Frank Davis has even went to a kindergarten legal school. They're asking me how come such a person is a lawyer that cannot tell, say, Obia or no Etibiase. We say there is a tape that has been doctored. Show us the one that has not been doctored. Then we bring finality to the issue. If you have the one that is not doctored, show us that one. Then we are able to know that you are telling us something, because we don't want you were saying Esedun Ketia was doing analysis of a video. So what were you doing there? You see, when you see fools, you look at his face and you see a big fool, big fat fool. Esedun Ketia, when he played the video, made commentaries. We also say Esedun Ketia didn't have to make commentaries. No, you came and made a commentary over Esedun Ketia's commentary on the commentary. So who are you? The commentator commenting on the commentator. You are a big fool. I don't see why we should have such people, put our democracy into disarray. Media, I call for his head. And look, particularly so because he is the only attorney general. Yama obi bail, court bail. We panel meeting the court bail. I'm talking about my brother Gregory Afoku. It can happen to all of them. Look, when John Mahama comes to power, now say you see the obi to say na be akojina court yama ni bail. Now John Mahama see a granting the bail on kofia. Me matla kusane them. Me mani ndidi. We have to be very ruthless for them to understand that, look, once bitten, twice shy. Look, a child one I see a trade dream. And was Akufo Addo will feel the pinch of how Gregory Agyapong has felt over the years. Because you cannot tell me that you go and paint Kwasiafo, then you take our $12 million, $20-something million. So the Kwaku see your friend is saying Kwasiafo hotel, a German phone number for hotel. Where is value for money? It is a German baba, it's a law, baba. Yeah, Tutu ayaka isi asemi. One call for and a informants, man, DC. Owusu so mbeka me de meka, because they talk to me too. They are all people. They are NDC informants. Do you know why? Kwasia ni betiama, kwasia gro egu. Kwasia ni beti. Akufo Addo wusi wanu ya ode, unim how to chew corn beef. Wanu we tutua, wakosi wosan. Unim corn beef di. Etimi wele ebo wanu adankerewa. Na onu a oye wadwuma. Na no Jubilee House. Omo ko hi bako banyina. Unim pade amede momo. 200 cedis a day. Na abujina po. Sikase no wi egu politanki mu. These are useless people that they could not even afford a daily meal. Gabinom Kofi Asante bedi etuone ka to musie e chen se wokonu wi na e fa ni hunimu tutuo no ne ka tata. So if you use people's energies to get power, na uba bemu, now you treat human beings as though they are more. Now when you omokobo pa ne ram ka se Akufo Addo onwa na ekoye ne ho. Your friend is saying electoral commissioner. na waye ne deputy na waye be se deputies no ye enso ne boa na waye your friend is saying across the country, about 39 to 40,000 police stations. No, I could now no election. No, media and some echo saying can you democracy no and say ya Accra FM. No, I can find because you said karma is very effectual. Karma has never gone to sleep. Don't think you will be evil today and you will go scot-free. You will forever meet karma. It may not happen when you want to see it come, but it will surely come. It's like Jesus Christ. He will surely come. Karma. Eti, me bought Japa. You know your friend is saying? Yeah. Me bought na baso papa. Japano, I was somebody in Deura, a Kennedy. Yes, in an in Deura. In Deura Japa. Yes, no. I was say omudi in Deura Japa. And now, why are reincarnated in that person called Japa? Time Bonabaso will be a wubia. Assembly a sekukomubia yipie. Don't think say ebia makoka ebia kochi yoni kolendi dan. Was say ba na ba. The esse enese. Send esse enese. For example, for union, I said the assessor the to one fan to if you talk. I'm even learning say the others are on the tender and no out. Who said there were people that were thinking say who says our evidence we are more it was not part of the case no way. Yes. Until be criticized say so evidence here one fan call and but I'm hearing say they are serious Ukraine part. Yes. They will tender that one. They should. The people should now me rehono by advising me ya bana or your judge no. So me dear mentiti no me yuni na papa to me for say me din te say enwira we kura say da enwira sa so kwabra de na ni efe me dear na me din say enwira no nti e ma me emma ade bi nkam kwabna tare asani se enwo kamu a ubehu wo no akyan fufuo no sana nipa udin tie me can you question me 24 because Sabi me did say bia or ena any eja ya omo atete no but oyonko bone timi say obrapa Akufo Addo yonko bone a o te say bet employer wakofra baduasa enunti na me 24 say hwe wabra bo yie na ema intentia eni wanim kan na bu atentene atanya ewo mmremu a ubenya nyina so papa oka asemu a ebeto asomu obi o wa na adwene ne se oye judge enti onimnyansa ten yankopon a obo no omo no yefro mu sini nyame nyansa judge fo sa one from is unanimous 7 no omo adwene omo se omo nimnyansa ten nyame obo omo anu ti no mani magu ase a ebi no makofie e wo fere ne ani wom omo pia bonten kwa no mo fere because once na di o machi obi boni din say oh wait or judge we oh can you unanimous 7 no say epu judge suo ben judge fota judge kankan etiene me no ka say obi wo ha o call retirement but ni dia say maame judge me de be ye futuo dia ma o say ma wudi nyese nwira to wo fo ema Akufo Addo ya wa bon te kro ya woni mre bia wo wiasim ade sa judge wa kotwa bribe amano no emani mamme induce ema won koye entenchia na sa asem wei ebeto obedwam no obi bia kra won ko law school da kra hu say Akufo Addo Godfredame and their proteges were up to something and intimate truth say don't be part of that criminal syndicate that will incriminate people who are innocent. Please, be forewarned is to be forearmed. I'm forearming you to be forewarned. Thank you.
You're waiting for winning and somewhere Listo or the Tuja or to be money Akufo Addo on the say what to be money Akufo Addo say one Kasakra. Na no reacted to Godfredame Attorney General on it Japan TV and Sammy Abituja Ghana for Airtrain Acciden Abasa and Nuna Listo so Akiden Agyapong Wada and Sebdo na Ra Eddie. The cow say Jusini so and our Heno say we don't subscribe ya. Let's just say over subscribe and like it. Now watch a video no ama ofufo so enye bi na wahwe. Also betimi akire waden afa eye and some way na ho e wo comment box ni mo. Obati nka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.